What's going on, everybody? Champ here, and we have the PS4 here. We have the 500 gig hard drive in there, and then we have the terabyte hard drive there. So what we're doing is, see my beautiful family here. So that's awesome. So we have here is we went through the website and to perform the system software update 5.05. We have the thumb drive plugged in there. So we went through everything. The next step, like we did, we had to create a folder that says, oh, wait a minute. Nope, PS4. Then it says, oh, wait a minute. Let's try this. Let's do this. Let's drop that submenu down. Let's eject. Let's put it back in there. Because it's supposed to be a folder that says PS4, just right there. All right. And it's supposed to say update. And update is supposed to say PS4 update.pup. All right. So everything's on there. So we're gonna eject the thumb drive. All right. We're going to place it back into the PS4. And we're going to hold the PS4 for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. And it should start it in safe mode. So there's a DualShock in there. And we're going to go to initialize PS4 right there at the bottom. Wait, let me double check. Let me check the website. So the next step says to connect the USB storage device. Okay, so check that the power indicator is not on. Connect the USB. So we're supposed to hold it in for 7 seconds. So the system beeps the second time, which it did. Connect the USB storage device with our updated file on there. And then hold the power button for 7 seconds, and it's going to enter the safe mode. Like as you guys can see on the screen, it says safe mode. All right. So our next step is to select initialize PS4 reinstall system software. Number 7. Boom, right there. We connected it on there. Right there. And hopefully this should work. That's what we're hoping. That's what we're hoping. We did everything properly that we were supposed to do. Also, waiting game. Please wait, please wait, please wait. Please wait, please wait. Hopefully all you guys are doing well today. I know I'm having a beautiful, beautiful day today. All right, the PS4 will be initialized. All users and data will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Because we're no longer using this PS4. All right, or this hard drive. So select yes. It's initializing. So our next step is to, here, let's get a different angle here. Here we go. This is my setup here. This is my mic. I got it laid to the side, but usually, matter of fact, I'm gonna set it up here, back up here. Typically it's here in the middle. Just right there. Oh, hold on 1 second, guys. Got a little technical difficulties here. 1 second. Let you guys look at the progression screen. My wife is over there watching a movie, guys, so you might hear some talking in the background. Alright, there we go. So this is usually normally my setup like this. Second monitor, speakers right there. My blue snowball in the PS4. System software update, awesome. So we see that it worked. We're gonna put that terabyte hard drive back in the system because I still want to play the game with my friends. And what we're gonna do next is, hopefully this update goes by fast. Yeah, it's going pretty decent. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna set the camera here and let it update. And what we want to do is, sorry guys, set it there, let it do its thing, and then we're going to, I think, put the old hard drive back in there. It's going fairly fast, 13%. You guys can, I'm gonna just let it record here. You guys can fast forward if you want. All right. So it's doing everything it should be doing. So the hard drive, actually, what I'm going to do is, not hard drive, this thumb drive, I'm going to keep for a specific, strictly for things like this. Definitely going to keep it for things like this, nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. And we are going to probably play Fortnite. I'm probably going to stream some Fortnite. I know Sock is on with her boyfriend, and the Buddha, he's on right now. So I think I'm gonna hook up with them, and it should be Sock, narrator, and which is Buddha, and Wetzel. So I think I'm gonna hook up with them. I know they're on. We were playing earlier, then I wanted to step away and work on this stuff with you for you guys, show you how I do it. So this, I don't consider this a bushing or something like that. This little black thing came out. And I think that helps with like the vibration, possibly. It goes on the back side of a screw. So let's see if I can get it to show you guys here. See a screw in there. See the little black screw in there? There's supposed to be like a black bushing. Actually, that is the screw, I think. It's supposed to be like a little black bushing goes on there. So the screw won't be resting directly on the hard drive case. The casing. Actually, we're almost done. All right, there we go, 100%. So what's next? What comes on the next screen? And the reason I'm doing this is actually because supposedly you can get $350 with any system towards a PS4 Pro. It has to be in-store credit. And I kind of want to upgrade. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the... Obviously, I can't turn the system in with the 1,000 terabyte hard drive. So what we want to do is get the 500 gig back up and running. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a terabyte back in there, game, and then